welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. So we're back working on the O2M transmission, and I'm super excited to get the gears out and get the shift work out today. After researching and talking to a couple of guys, I finally think I figured out what we're gonna do to fix the shift work. Okay, so my original plan was to bolt this back on, put some Loctite on it, and then tack weld it. Then I got caught up and looking on the forums and everything, and everyone's saying kind of upgrade to steel first, second, third, and fourth. I want to give a big thank you to Ryan and Chase. I'll put their Facebooks down below, on experts on a lot of things, Audi and VW. They really helped me out. This is the best setup for what I want to do. So now we're going to take out all the gears so I can give this transmission a really good clean. Yeah, I could probably just get a bolt and do everything right here, but I want to get all the metal shavings or anything metal out of this. So we're going to take this and I'm going to go to a parts store and make sure I get the exact bolt and then tack weld it, and I'll come back and then we'll put everything back together. Everything that we're in here, but now, I mean, I'm glad I did that, because there's some debris like in here and everything. I want to get all this nice and cleaned up. So, but yeah, now we'll take this shift fork. We're gonna go to the auto parts store, get the best bolt that I can get, and we'll get it back on there, and then I'll have my friend tack weld it. We'll be good to go. Okay, I got back from running around today. I stopped at the hardware store and I grabbed a bolt, and then I had my friend Lee do some tack welds, and I'll put a link up in the corner right here if you guys want to check out me running around getting all that stuff. And then I want to thank Ryan for commenting on Facebook, just kind of confirming of what I really wanted to do. But then I got caught up in just upgrading to steel, but I'm glad this works out so I can put this back together, while it's fresh in my mind. So yeah, I'm gonna clean out the case here, get all this, crap out of it, and then clean this part out also, get all this grime out. Okay, so I took this outside, I put brake clean on everything except for the seal right here, brake cleaned everything, then I brought it back in here. And then I got all the old gasket off, which wasn't much, but some of it I couldn't get off, so I used razor blade and got all the other stuff off. So, and then I picked through it, got everything else out, got the magnet out, and I got all the shavings and stuff off of that. So now it's time to settle it in here and start jiggling to get it in here. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, I guess. So I think we'll put this side in here. I think that's going to be the next hardest. I think we got it. Yeah. So yeah, that really helped putting this one in, and then this one last. It kind of just went right in there. Oh man, that was awesome. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. Heck yeah, so stoked. That wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder than that, actually. Okay, so now that we have the gears in there and I've checked everything, all the forks move into gear, and then it rotates nice and smoothly. I'll be getting a clean towel, and I'll be spraying brake clean on the towel. I'll be brake cleaning, cleaning all the mating surface all the way around on both of the cases. And then I'm going to be using the ultra gray gasket maker. I'm going to be doing a bead all the way around, and then putting the top of the case on, and then I'm going to be letting it or I'm going to be finger tightening the bolts on, letting it sit for like 45 minutes to an hour, and then I'll torque them down after that. Okay, so now that I have the surface all cleaned off, I'm going to be cutting my top of the gasket maker, and I think I'm just going to take like the first one off. It's nice and small. Like everything I've read and researched, you don't need very much because this is a machine surface, so it's gonna smash everything pretty much out to the sides. So just doing it really small. Okay, so I'm happy with what I have around the case now. A couple spots I probably used way too much, but I don't want this thing leaking, so now I'm going to pick up the top of the case and try to, you know, put it on there evenly. I've got them all hand tighted down. And now I'm supposed to leave it for about 45 to an hour and then torque them down. Before I torque it all down, I'm just going to put the shift tower in there, and I'm just going to turn everything again just to make sure you know, it's all turning now that this is on there before I torque it all down. Put this in there. I'm going to put the top of the shift tower on there, and I'm going to go through the gears and move it so I know that it is completely right. It's gonna make me feel a lot better. So nervous. Okay, everything's tight, so now I'm gonna turn it up and try to spin it, and I'm gonna get the top and go through the gears. Okay, so I just went through all the gears. All of them work. I was super excited, so now it's time to torque down all the bolts. Okay, so I got everything torqued up, got the sensor back in, and got this little probably lock for the tower in. I got this in, tower in. I did all the bolts back here to lock the cases together. Got the throwout bearing in. I got this sensor, I think it's for the speed sensor, back here. Now I'm gonna put the transmission mount on and then get it on the ground. So I put the engine on the ground and I slide the transmission up to it, get the first top two bolts, and then I lift it up a little bit and get the other bolts. It's just way easier with one person. If I had one more person, I might have put the transfer case on and then put it on, but just, by myself, this is just way easier this way. And so the transfer case, I need to replace these O-rings still. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope maybe if you guys are looking on the forums and there's a DIY with that and this, you'll be able to kind of see this a little bit clearer than what I found on the internet. I really put in different searches to different things, and I couldn't really find too much about it. I'll link down below a couple of videos that helped me out a lot, but I skipped some stuff in this because I think I did it wrong, and I don't want, you to do it wrong. So I'm going to put some videos down below. Look at those, look at mine, and come up with your own maybe solution, or take bits and pieces from each one of us, because I feel like we each found something that went really easy and then we struggled in different areas. So I'll link those videos down below. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope this helps someone out. That's all I was trying to do. So that's going to be it. I'll see you guys next video.